Let's go over that ramp. We're going to go over a road of Legos. Are you ready? Let's go now.
Look at that big old man. Welcome to Family Toy Review. Look what we have here. We have Grave Digger, radio control. Are you ready to open? Are you ready to open? All right, let's do it. All right, so this thing takes 2 batteries in the remote control. And that's how the remote control communicates with the vehicle. It's through the antenna here, and this antenna. And the Grave Digger takes 5 AA batteries. And let's see how fast the wheels move. Alright. Awesome. I think we're ready to go. For our first challenge, we're going to go over a road of Legos. Are you ready? Let's jump it down. Alright. There's a nice little road here. And alright, let's go. And go. And you could go backwards too. You can make it go backwards from the remote. Alright, now go. Back some more, hold it down.
What you did? His name is Grave Digger.
Oh yeah, his name is Grave Digger, so he's digging. Go back some more, back. Lift him up and we'll make a big old Lego mess with his wheel. Are you ready, Jaden?
Yeah.
So just gotta lift him up a little bit. Look at that big old man. so he can make a mess. Make a mess. Yeah! Yeah! So we've got a little mini ramp here. And we'll have Grave Digger go. Alright. There you go. So he goes pretty fast when there's not much in his way. And forward. Boom. This is just a $30 RC, so he won't have enough power to go up the slide. Let's try anyways. He just doesn't have enough power. Yeah, he doesn't have enough power to go up all the way up. He's gonna chomp over those Lego pieces. Let's go.
Awesome.
And then I'm trying to make him go backwards, but he's stuck a little bit. It's not very easy from a standing position. Alright. Are you ready, Grave Digger? Go, 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 go.
Whoa, he didn't go. That was funny.
to clean that up. So that's fun. At least the wheel goes pretty fast. So it'll be a lot of fun on flat surface. And let's have him do a big jump too. Huh, let's get a ramp ready. Oh yeah, the cool thing about the remote is my kid is 4 years old and he very easily can hold the remote and push the buttons. That's left and right. This forward. And this is back. I guess he doesn't have a lot of power, so when he's stuck, he's stuck. Again. So this one, he doesn't have a lot of torque, but he still goes pretty fast. Ready, set, go! Forward! Alright, let's see a big bashing right in the middle pile. Boom! What are you doing?
I'm gonna bash this part.
You're making a big old mess.
I was bashing the post.
Alright, bash! Clean this up. Welcome to Family Toy Review. We got some more Tonka Tinies 3 packs. And what?
Mess up.
What's mess up? What does that mean? Oh no, don't mess it up yet. And we got 2 exclusives already.
This guy.
We have
this guy too.
this one came with the fire 3-pack. Fire truck 3-pack, and this one came with the construction truck 3-pack. And now
This one is broken.
we have a city vehicle, city trucks 3-pack, and I wonder what's inside, what the mystery vehicle is. I'm guessing it's some kind of a garbage truck, but it's a different color than one of these.
A vacuum.
Or it might be another dump truck, and it's just a different color than
Or
one of these
a
guys.
vacuum truck.
Or a vacuum. I wish it was a vacuum truck. Let's open right here. Down here. Pull that open.